two words really are used in a confusing manner.
Okay.
So before the child actually arrives,
Mm-hmm.
there is something that we call gender reveal.
Okay.
Should it be gender reveal or sex reveal? Which
Well,
one is more appropriate?
I would say in to say something is even appropriate would depend on the family, right? So
Okay.
families will choose what they want or they prefer.
Yes, that's another thing.
Yes. So, however, we know that there's fundamental difference between a sex and then gender. Here we're just trying to discuss not about preference, but what we think they are. And now
Yes.
the families can now choose for themselves whether they want to.
Yes.
They prefer to go to sex reveal or gender reveal.
Okay.
But we know that the reason why people are able to say gender reveal is based on what? Either they've done tests in the hospital,
Yes.
either they've looked at some scans, either they've done some hormone tests and stuff like that to show that the child coming is carrying either a male sex organ and hormones related
Absolutely.
or a female sex organ and hormone related.
And you have the whole old wives' tale
Exactly.
that tells you whether it's a boy,
Boy
or a girl.
you know. So now, sex are biological attributes that defines the individual.
Okay.
They're mostly physical and physiological activities. Something like, and in this case, the person has got breast, the person has got this kind of organ, male organ, female
So
organ.
that would be sex. Determined
So,
by sex.
Exactly. So basically,
Yes.
what they were born with, what
Yes.
things that has to do with hormone, gene expression, or who they are,
Yeah.
and that is merely a boy or a girl. However, in the case of gender,
Yes.
it is these are social constructs that define the identity of the person, the behavior of the person, the expression of the person, what the person feels inside, what the person, the affinity of the person to feel like they are more closely to call themselves like this, their
Okay.
dressing, their expression. So these things are social constructs. So they are not in social constructs are external things. These are things that we see in society that impact us, more like the environment that we live in defining us. But
Okay.
the sex is more like our inside defining our outside. So
Yes.
our genetics defining our outside.
So the sex, we don't have control over it.
We do not, because you are either born. In most cases, other than rare instances where somebody could be born with both male organ and female organ,
Those are rare.
Rare, and it's considered abnormal.
Yes.
Other than that, we usually have what? Male or female, and that is the sex.
Okay.
So, however, gender, you grow to have that physical attribute,
Yes.
or depending on the society you grow in, or you
Yes.
come in,
How you are
how you
raised.
arrive, how you dress, how you behave, how you feel, what do you feel like you are associated to call yourself.
Yes.
That becomes the gender.
Okay.
So, the sex of a child comes first and is genetically related, is biologically affiliated,
Yes.
is coming from physical and physiological futures.
Okay.
However, the case of gender would come later on from what? Society, expression, behavior, dressing, culture, what you feel like, and that is the person is more like now grown behavioral.
Yes.
It's a behavioral thing.
Yes.
So to say gender reveal for a baby that is not even behaving yet, or that's not
Yes.
even out yet, I think is a bit more like a shortcoming.
Yes.
Rather, we should be saying sex reveal,
Sex
so that when the
reveal.
child grow, they can now affiliate with the gender they want.
I see.
So I think sex is the first thing that comes, and then later, when the child is born into the environment, then we have what? The gender of the child. Yeah.
With what you have explained, it then means saying gender reveal is premature.
I agree.
So
to some extent.
because you don't know the gender.
That's what I think too.
Yeah, because the characteristics and so many things play a role in the gender. But you can say then sex reveal.
Because at the time of you revealing, the basis of your reveal is not based on social role, expression, it's not behavior. It is actually based on what? Biological and physiological features.
Which is
like either a boy or a girl.
So the right thing to say is sex reveal.
So it's more like saying, what is the sex of the child? And
I think we get so comfortable using words.
That's right. And we interchange these words.
Yes. Next part 2. Sex reveal.
I agree.
Yes. Thank you so much for this
You're
explanation.
welcome. So I'm hoping that we can begin to probably think about it as sex reveal
Yes,
rather
sex
than
reveal.
gender reveal. And I mean, if you have a different opinion, we're happy for you to express that.
Leave
in the
a comment
below.
below. And remember to subscribe. And we will see you in our next video.
Bye.